They've been fighting over that feeder for like an hour. 2 finches appeared out of nowhere, 2 blue ones, and my regular sparrows now. It's like the 2 birds that died were replaced with 2 little weird finches and 2 little blue ones. Life does go on. Thank you, Mr. What's his name? The veterinarian. And Mr. What's-His-Face's wife is also a veterinarian on Code, a bird platform. I hope you feel better that I didn't kill these 2 birds that died on our property. And it's not bird flu, thank God, but they were injured from a cat that climbed up a tree. And I went running outside screaming, and there was awful squawking, and the cats buggered off. However, now I gotta keep an eye out for the back door.